Hello student, good morning. Students, we have learned to solve the equation all three methods: trial and error method, systematic method and transposition method. Now today I will start exercise 4.1. Question first: complete the last column of the table. Equation is given, value, and say whether the equation is satisfied, yes or no. So question first is x plus 3 is equal to 0 and value x is equal to 3. If you put the value of x is equal to 3, then 3 plus 3 not equal to 0. So answer is no. So x is equal to 3 not satisfied this equation. Okay. Now x plus 3 is equal to 0. If we put minus 3 in place of x, minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Yes. So minus 3 will satisfy this equation. Now question number third. M upon 3 is equal to 2. Here m is equal to 6. If we put the value of m 6 upon 3, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 3 2 ja 6, 2. Yes, m is equal to 6 will satisfy the equation. Student, you can do other question same as these questions. Okay. Now question number 2. Check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. Question second A. X plus 5 is equal to 90. In bracket 9 is equal to 1. If you put 1 in place of n, 1 plus 5 is equal to 6 not is equal to 19. So n is equal to 1, not the solution of given equation. In question C, 7n plus 5 is equal to 90. If you put 2 in place of n, 7 2 ja 14 plus 5 is equal to 19. So n is equal to 2 is the solution of given equation. Question number 3. Solve the following equation by trial and error method. You have already learned how to solve the equation by trial and error method. So you can do both the question. Now question number 4. Write equations for the following statement. Student, you have already learned in class 6 how to convert statement into equation and equation into statement. So we take 2 or 3 examples. Now question number 4. Write equation for the following statement. First, the sum of number x and 4 is 9. The sum of number, sum means plus, add. So sum of number x plus 4 is 9, means is equal to 9. This is the equation of this statement. Okay. Now question number 2. 10 times a number is 70. Times means multiply. 10 times 10 multiply a is equal to 70, or 10a is equal to 70. Okay. Now question 9. If you add 3 to 1/3 of z, 1/3 of z, so you write 1/3 of z. add means plus. You get 3 and we get 30 means z upon 3 plus 3 is equal to z upon 3 plus 3 is equal to 30. Okay. Same is question number 5. Write in statement form. Here given the equation and you have to write the statement of given equation. P plus 4 is equal to 15. X plus 4 is equal to 9. The sum of number x and 4 is 9. Same as the sum of number P and 4 is 15. Okay. Is it clear? Now question number 3rd. 2m is equal to 7. Just like question number 3rd, 10 times a is 70. 10 times a is 70. 10a is equal to 70. So 2 times m is 7. 2 times m is 7. Okay. Is it clear? Question 4. Question 4. P by 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. Just like if you add 3 to 1/3 object, you get 30. If you add 2 to half of P, you get 8. Student, you can do all these questions given on your textbook easily. And question number 6, you have to read the question carefully and try to make the equation. Okay. Now we will solve some question from exercise 4.2. Now exercise 4.2, question first. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Means you have to solve this equation by systematic method. Separate the variables. Solution we have x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. We have to remove 1 from left hand side. So we have to add plus 1 both the sides. X minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 plus 1. We add same numbers both the sides. You have already learned x plus 0 is equal to 1. Means x is equal to 1 is the solution of given equation. If we put in place of x 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So 1 will satisfy the equation. Question D. X plus 6 is equal to 2. Same is you can write here add 1 to both sides. Okay. Now x plus 6 is equal to 2. If you want to remove plus 6, what will you do? You have to subtract 6 both the sides. X plus 6 minus 6 and 2 minus 6. Minus 6. We have to subtract. X plus 0 is equal to 2 minus 6. 6 minus 2, 4. And we use the sign of greater number. So x is equal to minus 4. Minus 4 is the solution of given equation. Okay. Now you can do other questions. Question number 2, same as question number first. Give first the step you will use the separate the variable and then solve the equation. A, 3L is equal to 42. Here 3 multiply by L, 3 multiply by L is equal to 42. So for removing the L, we have to multiply, we have to divide by 3 both the side. 3 cancel. L is equal to 3 1 ja 3 4 ja 14. So L is equal to 14. Dividing both sides by 3. Okay. Now question G. A upon 5 is equal to 7 upon 50. Separate the variable. So we have to multiply by 5. Okay. Answer A is equal to 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15, 7 upon 3. 7 upon 3 is the solution of given equation. Student, you can do other question same as A and G. Okay. Now question number third. Question number third. Three L is equal to 42. No, 3n minus 2. 3n minus 2 is equal to 46. First we have to remove minus 2 from left hand side. So we have to add 2 both sides. 2 minus 2 0. 3n plus 0 is equal to 48. Now 3n is equal to 48. 3n 3 multiply by n, so dividing both sides 3 by 3, cancel, n is equal to 16. So 16 is the solution of given equation. Question number 20p upon 3 is equal to 40. Question number C. 20p upon 3 is equal to 40. 20 upon 3. So first we have to multiply by 3 both the sides. P upon 3 multiply with 3, 40 into 3. 3 cancel. 20p is equal to 120. Now 20 multiply by p, so dividing both side by 20, 120 upon 20, cancel, p is equal to 6. Students, you should write dividing 20, dividing both sides by 20, multiply 3 both the sides, etc. and practice it. Okay, 3. Okay, thank you.